This is a DigiMaster 3 mine unit. We have a brief introduction about this item. You can see this is a color screen and with the 2 rows of the keyboard. This is a power button here with a 12 power adapter. From the top side, here is a SD card. It's a 2 GB SD card. And with the line port here, you can connect the line port. And this is a USB-I, and this is a mini USB. We call it USB 2. And this is adapters 25, and this is adapter 15. Okay. We power on this machine. And just wait for a while. Okay, here we got a pen here. You can see the details here, which is in the main menu. We can see programmer, audio decoding, meter system, IMO, airbag resetting, ECU management, and directions. We test it one by one. Okay. Programmer. You can see here, file, IC read, CPU program, signal generator. For example, we enter the IC read. This is a details IC type here. For some very popular M35080 series and the Bosch and 950. All many kinds of the IC types here. Okay, we'll go back. 正一点。The CPU program. You can see the details of the CPU. CAS3 NEC. This is all the Motorola 705, 908, 711, 912, and 9S112 for this kind of the tabs. Go back. Audio decoding. This is all the cars list. You can see here all the car list here, which is Mercedes-Benz, for example. Audio decoding Benz applicate models here in the list. So many models here you can see. And for BMW, for this kind of models, and Toyota, these models. Okay, we go back, see some meter system. You can see here Europe, Americas, Japan, Korea, motor, engine truck, Europe, and Europe car list here for BMW, for example, 1 series, 3 series, very clear. This is for change the mini gauge. Ferrari, and Porsche, Cayenne. Okay, here, back for M&N. truck. If you click details, and the screen will show you which adapter should be used for this kind of car. You can see this adapter in the package list, and click next for the next step. Click back. Jungra. Firstly, connect the meter and the CPU stock of ICP adapter according to the finger correctly. The meter does not display by powering up, but display when installed in the car. So you can just follow the instructions. Okay. Click demo Audi. You can see there's Audi adjustment. Example TT. Also the same. Okay, we'll go back. And we choose IMO function. Audi, Peugeot, Benz, BMW. For Benz and BMW, it uses the car key match. But for Audi, Citroen, Peugeot is for IMO code reader. Okay. And for airbag resetting, many cars, Audi, Chrysler, Ford, GM, Kia, Opel, Peugeot, Subaru. Choose Subaru for example. Please select Subaru airbag ECU tab. You can choose the tab which matches for your own car. Okay. Honda. Fit, City, Accord, CRV. Okay, all different types here. Different type matches for different airbag module model. Okay. Suzuki. Okay, we can see the Suzuki's. Samsung. ECU tab. Model 95080. Volkswagen. See the details. Okay, the next is ECU. I choose ECU here. Okay. ECU detail step. Hazard. Alright. This is a different Superman. Okay. For stock, device model 24302. Okay. Details ECU step. Okay, here the last one is management. In the management menu, we can see the update, key register, key list, YHT information. And you can also use authorize payment, module practice, remote assistance, and also apply directions, style, prefer rating. Okay. What is the module? Please make sure that your device program is the latest. Do you want to update? No, because this is the latest. Okay. Which is no. Waiting there. You can see the details information. Okay. Shopping cart, maybe you need to buy something. Okay. Direction. Go back. changing the mini grid. Also, you can play with some more functions than the DigiMaster tool. There's airbag resetting.